Healthy Schools campaign is partnered with the Office of Minority Health at the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services to highlight heroes for healthy schools and to really talk about the important role that everyone has to help ensure that all children are able to lead healthy lives and succeed in school and in life. The individuals that we are highlighting this week include teachers, parents, principals, school nurses, and chefs who are all making an extra effort to ensure that health and wellness is part of students' lives.
Does anybody know my name?
Chef Lover!
Say it again.
Chef Lover!
Well, guess what that
60 chefs from around the city are going to schools to work with students, educating them about healthy eating, reading books to the kids, giving them the opportunity to sample fruits and vegetables, encouraging them to just try something new.
Delicious. Say it again. Everybody say delicious.
Delicious!
All of those
Teachers play a really important role in incorporating health and wellness into the classroom. And to support them, Healthy Schools campaign has been providing professional development to over 60 teachers. And this week, those teachers were highlighted and recognized when we were able to deliver curriculum packages to their schools so that they would have an opportunity to share the information that they learned with their peers. And we took the opportunity to bring many of the school nurses together to fill them in on what's been happening around the district and around the country, share with them best practices, and recognize the important contribution that they are making to student health. Getting kids moving is a really important part of this effort. And to help us do that, we were really excited to have Cornell McClellan, the President's personal trainer, come to Chicago to introduce the President's Fitness Challenge to a group of students at McCullough Elementary School. We are also very fortunate to have such wonderful fitness partners. Chicago Run works with schools to get kids running, and Urban Initiatives works with students throughout the city around soccer programs. This issue of health disparities and its impact on education is a very, very serious and important issue. That is why we brought together over 400 people from across the city to hear from experts talk about this important issue.
So when we talk about issues of health equity, we are talking about the issues that our entire nation must face. It is not a we-they conversation. It is an us conversation.
To help us with this celebration, 30 public health educators were deployed around the city assisting in promoting nutrition and physical activity in schools. As part of the First Lady's Chef Moves to School effort, they help chefs in 60 schools share messages of nutrition and health. They also worked with nutrition support services to introduce breakfast in the classroom and gathered input from high school students about the new lunch menus. And now they will be going back to their communities, back to their schools, and they will be taking the lesson about how important health and wellness is to every child with them as they move forward in their education and onto their careers. I hope that this week will inspire more heroes to get involved in their schools and communities to make sure that every student has the opportunity to be healthy and ready to learn.